Hello guys! Hello sa lahat, lalo na sa mga grade 7 students ko. So nandito na naman si Teacher Karen para mag-discuss at magpaliwanag ng ating panibagong lesson. But before that, meron akong konting introduction. So in each polygon, so na-discuss ko na yan before, diagonals are drawn from one vertex. So let us look at the given figures below: triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. Notice that this divides each polygon into triangular regions. From the figure above, you can see that the sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is equal to the sum of the angles of two triangles. Each triangle has 180 degrees. So meaning, similarly, the sum of the angles of the pentagon is 3 times 180 degrees. And of a hexagon is 4 times 180 degrees. Bakit? Kasi sa pentagon, we have 3 triangles. Every triangle has 180 degrees. So, tatlong triangle yung nabuo dun sa pentagon, kaya 3 times 180 degrees. And then yung sa hexagon, we have 4 triangles, kaya 4 times 180 degrees. Kaya kung i-multiply natin yan, yun yung sum ng lahat ng angles ng pentagon. So, para mas maintindihan ninyo, yan ang lesson natin, relationship of exterior and interior angles of a convex polygon. So, na-explain ko na yung convex polygon before, yung una nating video. So, yung mga topics na ating i-discuss ngayon ay una, sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex polygon, and then next is the interior angles of a regular polygon. Next po is exterior angles of a polygon, and then sum of the exterior angles of any polygon. So, umpisa natin sa the sum of the interior angles of the different polygons. So, we have here a table. So, we have 4 rows, polygon, number of sides, which is n, then number of triangles, n minus 2, and then sum of measures of interior angles. S is equal to n minus 2 times 180 degrees. Kung gusto nating malaman kung ilang triangles yung mabubuo sa isang polygon, so yung number ng sides niya minus 2. Okay po. So yung n po, palagi po yung number of sides. So for example, we have triangle. Ang sides po ng triangle ay 3. Then 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So isang triangle lang siya. And then, para malaman natin yung total angle ng buong polygon, i-multiply natin yung n minus 2, which is 1, times 180 degrees is equal to 180. So, isang buong triangle ay mayroong 180 degrees. And then sa quadrilateral, we have 4 sides. So, 4 minus 2 is 2 triangles po yung mabubuo. And then 2 times 180 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. Pentagon. We have 5 sides, minus 2, that will be 3. 3 triangles po yung mabubuo natin sa isang pentagon. So, 3 times 180 degrees, we have 540 degrees. Next, hexagon, we have 6 sides. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 triangles po yung mabubuo sa isang hexagon. And then, 4 times 180 degrees equal to 720 degrees. Meaning, lahat po ng angles ng hexagon ay nagtototal ng 720 degrees. Next, heptagon, we have 7 sides, minus 2, that is 5 triangles. And then 5 times 180, total of 900 degrees. Then octagon, we have 8. 8 minus 2, that is 6. So we have 6 triangles na mabubuo sa isang octagon. Then 6 times 180 degrees is equal to 1080. Next po is nonagon. Nonagon has 9 sides. At kapag bumuo tayo ng triangle sa isang nonagon, 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 triangles. And then 7 times 180 is equal to 1,280 degrees. Lahat ng angles po niya sa loob, interior angles po. And then decagon, we have 10 sides minus 2, that's 8 triangles. And then 8 times 180 is equal to 1,440 degrees. So, yan po yung table para malaman natin kung sa bawat polygon, ilang sides siya at ilang triangles yung nabubuo at ilan lahat o yung total ng interior angles ng bawat polygon. Ulitin ko po, ang n po is the number of sides. And then n minus 2 is the number of triangles we make pagka doon sa isang polygon. And then yung total po niya is yung 8, kunyari yung number ng triangles tapos po i-multiply lang sa 180 kasi yung isang triangle is consists of 180 degrees. Yun po yung total ng sum or yung sum of measures of interior angles. Okay, we have here an example. Find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex 13-sided polygon. So, 13 sides na polygon yung hahanapan natin kung ilan po yung interior angles niya in total o yung sum of the measures niya. So, solution natin, yung n natin is 13, yung number ng sides. Then, ang formula natin, sum is equal to 180 degrees times n minus 2. Pwede naman baliktad siya. N minus 2 times 180 degrees kasi multiplication naman siya. So, pwede siyang magpalit ng posisyon. Next, 180 degrees times 13 minus 2, that will be 180 degrees times 11. That will be 1,980 degrees po yung sum of the measures of interior angles ng isang 13-sided polygon. Okay, another example, given naman is yung total o yung sum of the measures ng interior angles ng isang polygon. Ang tanong dyan is kung ilang sides. So, kabaliktaran. Find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon is 1,620 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have? So, solution natin, ang sum of the measures natin is 1,620 degrees. So, hahanapin natin kung ilan yung sides. So, bali yung n yung hahanapin natin. So, ito po yung formula ng sum. So, dyan din po tayo kukuha ng formula or ng equation para ma-solve natin yung n, kung ilang sides ba siya. So, ang gagawin po natin, 180 times n, that is 180n. And then, 180 times negative 2, that is 360. So, since yung n, kailangan siya matira dito at itong minus 360 ay magta-transform o magta-transpose sa kabila. Tapos magpapalit siya ng sign. So, magiging plus na siya, hindi na minus. So, 180n is equal to 1,620 plus 360. Total of 1,980. Tapos, i-divide natin by 180 para n na lang matitira. Meaning, ang side po na hinahanap natin ay 11. So, meaning, ang sum of the measures of the interior angles of 11-sided or undecagon is 1,620 degrees. So, ang hinahanap po natin ay yung sides. Kapag ang given po ay sum of the measures, ito po yung gagawin natin. Pero kapag yung sides po yung given, katulad ng nauna natin sample, ito lang po yung gagamitin natin formula. Okay, next po. Okay, let's practice. Find the sum of the measures of the interior angles of a convex 18-sided polygon. So, ang given po ay yung sides. So, ang hinahanap is yung sum of the measure of the interior angles. So, n natin is 18 and then yung formula natin is ganito. Sum is equal, or S lang, is equal to 180 degrees times n minus 2. So, that will be 18 minus 2, that is 16 times 180 degrees, total of 2,880 degrees. So, ang 18-sided polygon ay mayroong 2,880 degrees na interior angles. Pag pinag-add mo, magtototal siya ng 2,880 degrees. This time, ang given po ay yung degrees naman, yung sum niya. So, 1,080 degrees. So, how many sides does the polygon have? So, yung total natin is 1,080 degrees. So, ang hinahanap natin ay size. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Formula. So, 180n, 180 times n, 180n minus 360, 180 times 2. So, distributive property po ang ginamit dito. And then, yung 360 minus 360 ay ililipat sa kabila. So, magiging plus 16. 360 na siya, hindi na minus. So, that will be 1,440. Divide natin by 180. So, n is equal to 8. Meaning, octagon pala yung polygon na hinahanap natin. And 8 sides po ang hinahanap natin. Interior angles of a regular polygon. So, interior angles of a regular polygon. But how do we find the interior angles of a regular polygon? Kanina, yung total. Ngayon, paano natin malalaman kung ilan yung angles bawat isa doon sa kunyari sa regular polygon. Pag regular polygon, equilateral siya or all sides are congruent, and then equiangular siya. All angles are congruent. Kaya regular polygon. Pag makuha na natin yung isang angle dyan, makukuha na natin lahat kasi pare-parehas lang sila ng measurement. So, recalling the definition of regular polygon, which states that a polygon is regular when all its sides and its angle are congruent. So, in short, it must be equilateral and equiangular, as I said before. And then, if the sum of the angles of the regular polygon is divided by the number of its sides, the resulting quotient is the measure of each angle. So, so in short, it must be equilateral and equiangular. Why? Because all angles of a regular polygon are congruent. So, mas madali siyang hanapin kasi pare-parehas lang naman sila ng measurement ng angles nila. Okay, so this implies also that the measure of each interior angle of a regular polygon is 180 times n minus 2 divided by n. Okay? So, alamin muna natin yung total ng ating polygon, yung sum of the measures of interior angles of a polygon, and then i-divide natin kung ilang sides. So, for example, we have find the measure of each interior angle of a regular decagon. So, pag sinabing regular decagon, meaning it has 10 sides. So, ang decagon natin ay mayroong 10 sides, decagon. So, yun yung n natin. So, ang formula natin is 183 times n minus 2 over n divided by n. So, yung n, substitute by 10. So, 10 minus 2, that is 8. So, 180 degrees times 8 is equal to 1,440 degrees. Divided by 10, meaning each angle ng decagon has 144 degrees. This is a regular decagon. So, ibig sabihin, sa 10 angle na yan, tigbo 144 degrees ang sukat niya. And then, yung sides na is the same then. So, ibig sabihin ng regular kasi, equiangular na and equilateral. Pare-pareha sila ng angle, pare-pareha sila ng sides, ng measurement nila. Okay, so, kaya tinawag siyang regular decagon. Okay, next example, each angle of the polygon has a measure of 140. So, ang given naman dito is yung angle niya. So, hinahanap naman dito is how many sides naman. Okay? So, ang solution natin, bali, ang formula natin is ganun pa rin. Pero, yung S niya, yun yung papalitan natin 140 degrees, which is yun ang given. So, yung N, yung sides, yung hahanapin natin. So, i-derive po natin yan. So, magiging 180 times n, that is 180n, then 180 times negative 2, negative 360. And then, i-multiply natin yung n sa 140, so ganun din. And then, cancelled na to, wala na. So, kukopihin mo na lang siya. And then, yung 140n, ililipat natin sa kabila. And then, yung 360, lipat sa kabila. So, nagpalit lang silang dalawa. At nagpalit din ng sign. So, 180n minus 140n, that will be 40n. Then 360 dun sa kabila. Then divide natin by 40 para n na lang yung matitira doon. So ang n is equal to 9. So ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap nating polygon dyan is nonagon. It has 9 sides. So ang total po ang angle po ng bawat isa ng nonagon is 140 degrees. Next. Ito po yung regular nonagon. Kung makikita ninyo, 140 po yung bawat angle niya at same po yung sides niya. So 9 sides. So that is regular nonagon. Next, okay, let us practice. Find the measure of each interior angle of a regular dodecagon. Kanina decagon, ngayon naman ay dodecagon, meaning 12 sides. So, ang formula natin is ganun pa rin, 180 degrees times n minus 2 divided by n. So, yung n, pinalitan natin ng 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 times 180, that is 1,800 divided by 12 is equal to 150 degrees. So, meaning, bawat angle ng isang dodecagon, regular dodecagon is 150 degrees. Katulad po niyan. At pare-parehas po sila ng side. So, kaya tinawag na regular dodecagon. Next, exterior angles of a polygon. So, a property of the exterior angles of the polygon can be developed by the following method. Consider the figure below at each vertex of a pentagon ABCDE, there is a linear pair of angles. So, ibig sabihin, para malaman natin yung measurement ng exterior niya, pag in-extend po yung line o yung sides po, magkakaroon ng exterior angle. So, ibig sabihin, pag magkatabi, that is linear pair. Pag sinabing linear pair, supplementary angles. At pag sinabing supplementary angles, ang total po o yung sum ng angles nila ay 180 degrees. For example, use the linear pair relationship. See, measurement of angle 1 plus measurement of angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Ito po yun. And then measurement of angle 3 and angle 4 is also 180. So, sila po kasi yung magka-linear pair o magkadikit. Next po, measurement of angle 5 and 6 is also 180 degrees. Ito po yun. Kung mapapansin nyo, straight line po siya at naka-supplementary po. Linear pair po, katabi po sila. And then, angle 7, measurement of angle 7 and 8 is total of 180 degrees. And then, ganun din po sa measurement of angle 9 and 10 is equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So, at the left members and the right members of the equation to obtain exterior sum and the interior sum. And then, 5 times 180 degrees. Since po kasi pentagon yan, kaya 5 yung ginamit. So, yung exterior angle plus 5 minus 2, kasi po yun, di ba, yung para malaman natin yung total ng interior angles. Yung total ng interior angles is 5 minus 2 is equal to 180. Yan po yung formula kanina. So, tapos 5 times 180 degrees. So, dito, since 5 minus 2 is 3, yan. 3 times 180 na siya. Nilipat na siya sa kabila. Then, ang magiging ano niyan is 900 minus 540 degrees. That is 360 degrees. Meaning, ang exterior angle natin, okay, 5 sides are replaced by n sides. The sum of the exterior angles of the polygon will be 360 degrees. So, ibig sabihin po, ang total po ng exterior angles ng isang pentagon ay 360 degrees. The measure of each interior angle of a regular angle is 360 over n. Actually po, ang exterior angle po, kahit anong polygon, 360 po palagi. Okay. So, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular octagon. Pag regular po, tandaan, equilateral and DPI. So, octagon meaning we have 8 sides. So, ang n natin is 8. So, para malaman natin kung ilan ang measurement ng isang exterior angle, ay i-divide natin yung 360 by 8. Kasi nga, ang exterior angle is always 360 degrees. Always. Kahit anong polygon pa yan, 360 talaga ang total niya. Okay po. So, i-divide lang natin kung ilang sides siya. So, 360 divided by 8, meaning, bawat isang exterior angle ng isang regular octagon is 45 degrees. Next, the measure of the exterior angle of a regular polygon is 24 degrees. Ito naman ay binigay yung angle niya na exterior ng regular polygon. Hahanapin naman natin yung sides. So, number of sides is yun ang kulang. And then, ilalagay lang natin to sa sum niya is 24 degrees. Tapos, 360 over n. So, 24, cross lang siya. 24 times n is equal to 24n. Then, 1 times 360. Divide natin by 24. That will be n is equal to 15. So, ibig sabihin, 15-sided polygon po yung hinahanap. Kaya, 15 sides po ang sagot. So, let us practice again. Okay. Find the measure of the exterior angle of a regular nonagon. So, pag exterior angle, ang number of sides niya is 9. That is nonagon. So, 360 divided by 9 is equal to 40 degrees. Meaning, sa regular nonagon, ang exterior angle natin ay palaging 40 degrees. Ayan po. Nag-extend siya, 40 degrees po. Next. So, ito naman, degrees yung naging given. So, hinahanap po is side. So, ganun lang din po. 30 degrees is equal to 360 divided by n. So, cross multiplication lang po yan. 30 times n, 30n. 360 times 1 is 360 divided by 30 is equal to 12. Ibig sabihin, 12-sided o dodecagon yung hinahanap. So, ito po yung dodecagon. So, pag in-extend po yung line niya o yung sides niya, ang exterior angles po niya ay 30 degrees. So, pag inad po yan, that will be 180 degrees. So, this will be the dodecagon. Okay, so that's all. Thank you. God bless and stay safe. Until next video.